Shoes have always been a weakness of mine. I don't know why am I so drawn towards shoes all the time. I guess it's because in my head I've got this idea that shoes can make or break an outfit. इसी वजह से shoes have always been my number one priority when it comes to styling my outfits. Hello everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna be reviewing two online shoe stores. So one's a local brand that produces leather shoes in Pakistan and it's known as Jalke, and another one's a personal shopper that sells high street branded shoes and goes by the name of Mibu by Nilofer A. But before I start, please hit the subscribe button if you're interested in fashion, beauty, reviews and styling, and if you would like to be notified each time my video goes up on the channel, don't forget to press the notification bell as well. And if you want to see more of me, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, where I mostly post content related to fashion. My handle is Sarah Hassan Official. Alright, now that we're done with the intro, let's dive straight into the video. Okay, here's a little disclaimer. This is not a paid promotion. I'm actually a long time buyer from both these stores, and these stores have no clue who I am or what I do. I'm just sharing my personal thoughts based on what I have experienced with these guys. So first up is my favorite local shoe brand called Jalke. I remember around 2 years back, these Facebook ads kept popping up in my feed where I first got to know about this brand. And me being my curious shopaholic self, I went onto the website to find out more about them, and I got to know that these guys sell genuine leather shoes, and that honestly made me very happy. If you're someone who is into genuine leather shoes, and if you keep getting those shoes from abroad, so you already know that they're not cheap at all. So when I saw the prices on the website from this store, I was actually very pleased. I'm not saying they're dirt cheap or anything. They are expensive, but if you compare them with any other international brand, I would say the prices are pretty reasonable. As you all know by now that I'm a big shoe fanatic and I love heels. And most of the shoes that I have in my collection are not from local brands because firstly, जैसा मेरा taste है वैसे shoes ही नहीं design करते local brands, and secondly, most of the shoes that I've seen from these local brands look cheap, and honestly I do not like that look on me, which is why I hardly go for shoes from these local stores. So once I discovered Jalke and ordered my first pair, I was more than happy. I still have that pair that I got 2 years back, and let me show you how it looks after 2 years of use. So yeah, this is the shoe that I'm talking about, and I think it looks pretty neat, right? It's a kitten heel with a nice bow detail on it, and I loved it so much that I got it in another color. Quality wise, they're pretty durable considering कि मैंने इस वाले को 2 साल रगड़ा है, and they look just fine. A few days ago, I got myself 2 new pairs from their mid-season sale, which I believe is still happening. Let me show you my new purchase. It's beautiful, isn't it? Again, it's a pointed toe kitten heel, and if you know me, you'll know that I love wearing pointed toe shoes. But one thing that I don't like about it is the embellishment on it. It's made of plastic, so it kind of looks cheap, but overall, this doesn't look cheap. It looks nice. It's nicely made. So yeah, I really like it. I'm happy that Jalke makes kitten heels because first of all, I love kitten heels, and I think kitten heels are pretty appropriate for everyday use, especially for work. About the second pair, so here's a little story to share with you all. I got myself these nice tangerine colored slingback heels from them, and once I received my order, I got a bad pair. It also had a bow on it, but the edges around the bow were dark and dirty, and it was totally ruining the look of the shoe. So I reached out to the customer service team for an exchange, and they instantly got back to me. अब ये decide हुआ कि I had to return those shoes in order to get a fresh pair, and I did exactly that. मैंने overnight shoes deliver कर दिए इनको, and they also asked me to share a receipt so that they can reimburse me the courier charges as well. Now the thing is, these guys called me up and told me that the dark edges around the bow is not a defect. It's actually part of the design, which was surprising because मैंने जो pictures देखी थी website पे और Instagram पे, उसमें the bow did not have dark edges around it. Anyway, so I asked them to send me another pair, and look what I got. Such a beautiful pair. It kind of reminds me of Aquazura Powder Puff Pom Pom heels. Love the look, but I feel like they are a bit too tight for a size 37. So yeah, please keep in mind not all their shoes are true to size. अच्छा, वैसे कस्टमर सर्विस इनकी बहुत अच्छी है. They are very responsive and they do guide you nicely about sizing. And अगर कभी आपको गलत size मिल जाए तो you can easily get it exchanged for another one. Prices can be expensive for a local brand, but hey, general leather shoes and good craftsmanship is gonna cost you something. Prices for heels vary from rupees 5,000 to rupees 10,000. Will I keep buying from them? Probably yes. Only if they continue making cute designs and good quality shoes. Do check them out, you're gonna love them. Now let's talk about another store. Well, it's actually a Facebook page called Mibu by Nilofer A. I'm a person who generally wears shoes from global high street brands. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love luxury brands, but my pocket doesn't allow me to splurge on them every now and then. Anyway, so what Mibu essentially does is stock up on shoes by H&M, Zara, Bershka, Stradivarius, etc. and sells them for a very good price. So I noticed that बाकी सारे Facebook pages and personal shoppers sell Zara shoes for a much higher price and this one doesn't. I investigated and found out that this one basically buys shoes that go up on sale and sells them for a better price. But the only problem is that चूंकि ये sale में उठा के resell करते हैं तो they've got limited sizes. I personally have gotten multiple pairs from them for the last 2 years. I recently got myself these nice denim kitten heels by Zara and I love them like anything. They costed me around 5,000 bucks, which I believe is a steal. Because अगर आप किसी और पर्सनल शॉपर से ज़ारा शूज़ ऑर्डर कराएंगे तो दे आर गोना कॉस्ट यू बिटवीन 7,000 to 15,000. बट ऑब्वियसली बाकी सारे पर्सनल शॉपर्स सेल न्यू स्टॉक प्री ऑर्डर्स पे एंड दिस वन सेल्स शूज़ जो कि सेल पे होते हैं, hence the price difference. Also, I should mention that the customer service is excellent. I've always had a wonderful experience with these guys. The seller response is quick and you get your shoes real fast. बस एक चीज़ है, आपको अपना शू साइज पता होना चाहिए so you can grab a pair for yourself without thinking too much because they keep limited sizes and probably limited quantities as well. Overall, I love shopping from this store. They also sell bags and other stuff. You guys, I highly recommend checking them out. Alright, so that's a wrap from my end. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Till we meet again, goodbye.